So I have this little mini duck pond here in the chicken house for the ducks to swim around, bathe in when they want to, and for all the birds to drink out of when they want to. Of course, after a few days at a time, it gets really murky and gross. And so it's actually set up so that it's fed by rainwater from the top of the chicken house on each side. And if we get a big enough storm, then the rainwater will flow in at fast enough rate that it will overtop the siphon. You can see the white pipe there, that's a U siphon. And it will overtop that, and it will automatically siphon itself out and refresh the water supply. But if we don't get a big rainstorm, then I usually just put a hose in there. A little hose you can see on the right, that's the regular garden hose coming in, and I'm filling up the pond now to charge the siphon. The other hose coming straight down is from our rainwater tanks on the house, and so it keeps this always topped up with at least a certain amount of water where there's a float valve that's connected to there. So what I normally do is I'll come in here if I need to flush the duck pond, and I'll just take my stick, kind of stir it around like so, suspend up the muck and gross stuff, sediment and duck poop and stuff from the bottom. Get it all suspended while it's filling up. And then I have the outlet pipe of the siphon plugged, and once it gets the siphon totally full, then I'll just unleash the plug and it will suck out all that murky water. And I have a system set up outside where I can divert that to fruit trees and berry bushes and things like that, so it can actually use the duck poo to fertilize those, which I'll show you just now. Here's the outlet from the U siphon. I have this all just kind of put together temporarily because I'm still working on the design, but I got the pipe coming down here, which is getting all full and charging up the siphon. Comes out this way, and I just put a simple end cap in the end of it like this when I want it to fill up. Normally I leave that off, so if we have rainwater flowing through there, it just flows through here freely, but when I want to charge the siphon, I leave that cap on there. And then what I'll do is I'll take that cap off there, I'll hook up this section of flex hose, and then I can direct it to, I got some blueberry bushes there, got a pear tree here. It's early in the season, so not much stuff's coming up yet. There are some fig trees down on this hill slope and some other things. But anyway, the point is I can direct it, the water, where I want it to go to fertilize stuff. So if we go back up here, you can see that the duck pond is getting full. It has overtopped the siphon there, so the siphon should totally be full. So if we pull that cap off, it should just all of a sudden drain out all this murky water, and we can use that to fertilize our fruit trees.